Good morning everyone present here. Today, we the students of class 9J are going to present a special assembly on IT Day. So please join your hand, close your eyes and get ready for the morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms toward perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dry desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into the ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Third for the day, artificial intelligence not only has the capability of keeping humans and environment safe, but also helps humans in their daily lives. I repeat my thought, artificial intelligence not only has the capability of keeping humans and environment safe, but also helps humans in their daily lives. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So today's news headlines are as follows. So first, some national news. Landslides in a mining quarry in Haryana kills 2 rescue operations underway. 156 out of 242 samples from Mumbai test positive for Omicron. 4 dead, 8 injured in explosion at firecrackers factory in Tamil Nadu's Sivakasi. India's Omicron tally reached 1,431 with Maharashtra recording the highest cases at 454. Now let's move to the international news. Colorado wildfire, 1,000 houses hit, fire spread in blink of eye, says governor. European countries tighten COVID-19 measures to tackle Omicron surge. Taiwan president warns China against the military adventurism. Biden hopes for progress in upcoming negotiation with Russia. Now some sport news. India's Asia Cup win idle confidence booster for Under-19 World Cup. Under-23 champion sprinter Taranjit Kaur fails dope test. Smriti Mandhana among 4 nominees for ICC Women's Cricketer of Year award. India steamrolled Sri Lanka by 9 wickets for 8 Under-19 Asian Cup title. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. So today's word for the day is corpus. It can be spelled as CORPUS. Its meaning is a large data set of written or spoken material that can be used to train a machine to perform linguistic tasks. It can be used in a sentence like, especially with the corpus of cash its digital arm Geo platform has amazed just this year. Thank you.
The word of the day is Moodle. It can be spelled as MOODLE. Its meaning is a learning platform that is distributed freely. It primarily helps assist with e-learning. It can be used in sentences like, I used Moodle to get info and earned an A on my exam.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Today, Aditya Oja of class 9J is here to present the theme on IT Day. We all have used technology. Especially in this COVID period, technology didn't stop us from learning. Because of technology, we did our classes online from our phones, laptops and PCs. This is only known as information technology, IT. Information technology is the use of any computer, storage, networking, and other physical devices. Here, I would like to end by saying a very nice quote by Peter Thiel. Technology just means information technology. Thank you.
Artificial intelligence, the next big thing. But why do we need AI? Here is Alan lying in his grave. Let's go back into time and see what happened. Alan met with a major accident because of driving back home drunk, along with 10,265 other people the same year. Every year this number is increasing. Can we have cars that can drive on its own, that can save people like Alan? Jack is blind. He wishes for a device that could help him to see the world. Meet Olivia. She is visiting Berlin. She cannot understand German signboards. She wishes for a software that can convert those German words in English. Looking at all the scenarios, what do we understand? We need an intelligent machine, which has the power to think, analyze, and make decisions. This is nothing but artificial intelligence. The basic idea is to mimic a human brain inside a machine. For example, if we want a car to drive on its own, we need to train that car based on driver's experience. With AI, people like Alan can sit comfortably in a self-driving car and reach home safely. You will be amazed to know the advancements that have been made in this field. AI has also helped people like Jack. Orcam's My Eye is a small wearable device that has the ability to read printed text from any surface. The device also recognizes faces of individuals as well as identifies products and denominations of currency notes. For Olivia, we have AI-enabled mobile apps that can extract the text from an image and convert it into a different language. Artificial intelligence is not only saving our lives or making it comfortable, but it is also contributing in the field of art. Meet Aaron, the famous painter, which is a computer program. Aaron is able to create very unique and exquisite paintings. AI softwares are even composing music. AI has given us Wordsmith, which can create a unique story for you. It writes articles in newspapers and on internet. We even have Sherlock, an intelligent tutoring system teaching Air Force technicians how to diagnose electrical problems in aircrafts. So clearly, after internet, which has connected the entire world, and microchips without which modern humans cannot survive, AI is the next big thing that is revolutionizing the world. The question is, what are the technologies that are driving these advancements in the field of AI? First came machine learning for achieving AI, and now people are talking about deep learning, which is a subfield of machine learning. Deep learning works in the same way how a human brain works. It is inspired from neurons, which are nothing but brain cells. Deep learning uses multiple artificial neurons. These neurons are arranged in the form of layers. Output of every layer is the input to the next layer. Earlier, due to less data and lack of computational power, deep learning was not possible. But now, we have GPUs and huge amount of data, because of which deep learning models give very high accuracy. For deep learning, the most famous programming language is Python, and TensorFlow is a Python package for implementing deep learning models.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल चलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे